Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to give you an update on crypto.com CRO Coin as well as take a look at the overall crypto market. Guys, we have just broken 10,000 subscribers. I want to say thank you so much for that. We are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin this week. So subscribe now if you want a chance at that. So let's hop into this video. So guys, right now we are doing what we've been doing for a while now. We are really consolidating here. We are below $26,000 on Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance is coming up. We are at about the 49% mark, getting closer and closer to 50%, which is very, very intriguing. I was expecting this leading into the Bitcoin halving. However, I do think it's a little premature. I would like to see that play out, the Bitcoin dominance level, get to about the 50% as we get a little bit closer to the Bitcoin halving. As we start to build that hype and Bitcoin starts to make some slight moves to the upside. But right now we are consolidating and Bitcoin dominance level is increasing. Let's take a look over at CRO Coin because CRO Coin right now we are almost back above this key level. But like I said yesterday, I was definitely expecting these daily candle closes to continue below this key level of 5.5 cents. And unfortunately, I was right. And, I do think that we'll probably, unless there's a big move to the upside very, very soon, I do think, unfortunately, we probably will slowly grind down to about 5 cents. I know that's not what you guys want to hear, but that's just my prediction here because usually the wicks get filled, especially when there's a low volume and we're trading to the downside, especially if the liquidity is getting pulled out of the altcoins and going into Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin dominance level is coming up. You know, as we get closer to this Bitcoin halving, be prepared to see a lot of altcoins do that, especially with the amount of uncertainty we have right now in the overall market. You got Robinhood delisting some of the top 10 cap altcoins like Matic, Polygon Matic, Solana, Cardano. It's pretty incredible to see that happen. I will say that I think that that's not going to be a permanent change. I do think that at some point they probably will add those back. But time will have to tell, guys. Time will tell. Let's look over at Bitcoin because Bitcoin right now, we are trading below 26,300, trading and bouncing around this channel between 25,300 and 26,300. This $1,000 range right here, I expect to be in this for a little while. And if the volume dries up more, I do expect a capitulation down into this price range of between 21,600 and below 25,300. And when that happens, I do expect a larger capitulation on the overall crypto market, the smaller cap altcoins. So be prepared for that, especially if you're holding CRO. If a 10% move to the downside from here or breaking below 5 cents from here, if you think you're going to panic when that happens, I want you to be prepared for a move like that to potentially happen. I do think that we could have some capitulation event happen where the altcoins liquidity kind of gets dried up and put into Bitcoin. So be prepared, guys. Be prepared. Don't panic sell, especially if you believe in a project or a company and you've been dollar cost averaging into. Don't panic sell for a loss, especially if you believe that it's going to go up in price eventually. But, as of right now, let's zoom out a little bit on Bitcoin because if we look over at the weekly, we're getting closer and closer to this Bitcoin halving, guys. It's so uncanny to see this play out like this, how similar it is to back in this previous cycle of 2019 to 2020. It's very, very similar. We're getting that sideways price action that I was expecting, and I do expect a little bit of downside, sideways, and downside action for probably the next couple months here, guys. And especially with the FOMC meeting coming up around the corner with Jerome Powell, and if he raises the rates, expect some more downside. I mean, there's a lot of bearish news going on, but at the same time, when we look over here, this definitely happens a lot, guys, where the panic is just so high and then immediately is bought back up. Something like that happens much more frequently on Bitcoin. If you see a large move to the downside on Bitcoin, when I'm talking large, I'm talking about like a capitulation event. Say we move down to this $21,000 price level, so we do something like this, capitulate down. I'm expecting a wick back up to here, maybe even back into the $25,000 range. But like I said, there's a lot of moving parts happening right now, so we're going to have to keep a very close eye on that. But guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. I want to say thank you so much for helping us get to 10,000 subscribers. I can't wait to give away our loaded line NFT at 25,000 subscribers. Like I talked to CryptoKip yesterday, I said, now we're on to the new milestone. We're giving away $1,000 of Bitcoin this week, so be prepared for that. Keep your eyes open for our announcement. And when we reach 25,000 subscribers, we are giving away that loaded lion NFT. Super excited about that, guys. Thank you so much once again. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.